All right, I'll be right back. All right, love you. Bye. What's up, guys? Jason here with the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. Spilled a little bit of coffee on my shirt here. Okay, well, good morning. It's the 1st of March. It's about 0900, 9 a.m. and we're busy. I guess we don't really talk about it, but you know, we still have a microgreens company, and we harvest on Sundays, and I have a standing order with Mr. Jackson, my tree guy. He orders a bunch of greens every Sunday, and I deliver them to his house. But we harvest, and we have we put them on our Facebook page, and we have a text chain that goes out for people that want greens. So this is the big one that I deliver on Sundays. So let's head out. We'll drop this off. I gotta run to the store and grab some cottage cheese, I think, for Sherilyn, and then we have to get diesel later. We'll take the old 30-gallon tank out because it's empty. It's been cold. We went through a lot of diesel, so we'll have to fill it up. But here we go. Yeah, but I was talking to Mr. Jackson this morning. We just talk about when I'm going to drop off. It's usually the same time, but he said his tree service, they've been so busy just with that storm that came through. He said it's mostly the Leland cypresses, which you just saw. Those things took a beating down here. With the amount of snow that was on the branches and the wind, it just tore those trees up. So I think people will think twice again about planting those trees, you know, or doing the correct, I guess, you know, tree care maintenance on them, because he said that's what people just neglected, taking care of them, and now they gotta pay to get them removed and chipped up and you know, stumps dug out. It's just a big old process. Not sure what's going on there, but it's a forerunner off the side of the road. Looks like somebody coming to help them get it out of the ditch. No idea.
Okay.
All right, guys, delivery's done. That's Mr. Jackson's cat. I don't even know if the cat's got a name, but it just lives outside, never goes inside. Even during the coldest days, he said, that cat will never come in. But it always comes up when I stop there on Sundays, and I always carry treats in the car, just to give it a few treats. But it is so happy to be petted. That cat is just in heaven to be petted. All right, guys, got the truck, trailer, got the old Vevor 30-gallon diesel tank ready to go. She's all strapped in, and we're gonna go get her filled up. I even brought an extra 5-gallon can. I really like this one. This no spill one with a button. It's not bad. It's not horrible like those other ones, but yeah, just so I'm getting 35 gallons, right? So, all right, let's head to Baker's. Let's go to Milton, and we'll go get some diesel. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm just waiting in line here. Both sides of the off-road diesels are both being occupied. I don't have enough room, so there's just some small cars. I think his Toyota will probably fill a little quicker with its RAV4. But yeah, this place was empty and now it's like full. It's crazy. All right, guys, we are filling. So yeah, pretty boring, but we're getting some diesel. I'm just kind of curious if fuel prices will go up tomorrow now that there's a war now with Iran. I'm kind of wondering what's going to happen with OPEC. We'll just have to see. Can you guess the price? 35 gallons, off-road diesel. 120 bucks. But that should last. I think that should last quite a while. If it stays warm like I said it's going to be, I might end up fill that thing up to the fall because I don't run a ton through the tractor. It's pretty fuel efficient. So there we go. Let's go do the scary unload. Here we go. Oh, it wasn't too bad today. That went way better this time. Once you get through all the bugs, and now I know how to strap it down. Got it down off the trailer pretty easy, so there we go. Very happy. 35 gallons of diesel. Here we go. All right, guys. Just jockeying the trailers around here real quick. Things just got all messed up when we had that contractor here. I was moving stuff around for them. Now I'm just trying to put things back in order. All right, that should do it. Just lower it down here. All right, next thing we gotta do is gotta pick up all this wood that was left over we cut up yesterday. There's a bunch of rounds here. I'm just gonna throw them in the bucket on the tractor and just move them over there by the splitter so we can get that eventually split. So here we go. Shouldn't take too long on this fast time lapse. All right, guys, so the wood in this area is that stuff we just cut, and the rest of it was some oak, and then beyond that it's all the pine. So we got some stuff we have to split to be stored for firewood, and yeah, so we'll have to get to that eventually here, hopefully next week. But all right, let's go see. Let's go check on Reese's tree or two that we got to take care of real quick. So here we go. So that tree right here is the one that's kind of arched over his driveway. So I'm going to use the old pole saw. See if we can just make some cuts. Actually stood back up a little bit. Just go ahead. All right, guys, so we're just gonna finish up this tree real quick. You just saw me cut off the piece that was over the driveway. I made a couple other cuts. I just have some smaller pieces, so I'm just gonna come up in the size. We'll put them to size, and I'll come pick them up on the tractor here later. should be able to get all this in one bucket. All right, guys, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun today. A lot going on, just trying to get stuff done on the weekend because it seems like the weeks are just so busy. But we changed clocks next weekend, so get more daylight. Gonna love that. But I feel that energy. I'm not sure if you guys feel it, but I just feel that energy of springtime. Just ready to get after it, buy new things, have fun, go on an adventure, get a lot of projects done. I just feel like I've been kept up in the house for so long, just trying to stay warm. So, but yeah, we got a lot of wood, so thanks, Reese. I appreciate you. You're a great neighbor. Hope you like what I did with your driveway. Made it look a little nice and purty for you. So, all right, guys, that's it. We'll see what holds tomorrow, Monday. But yeah, we have a lot of wood. We still got to get back here and split this maple. That is my priority. I want to get that done because I do want to take down a few trees down here. Plus, there's a dead oak behind there that I have to hire somebody to bring it down. It's a pretty big dead one. I'm gonna have them drop them this way once this is all cleared, and then I'll just take it from there. But that has got to get done. So, all right, guys. Hope you're doing well. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and I wish you the best of luck this week. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your subscriber. See you next one. Bye, guys.